Hello everyone and welcome back to our yet another training session on NeuroBooks Accounting Software Certificate course. This is our Unit 6, which handles fixed assets, or how to manage fixed assets in your NeuroBooks Accounting Software. We left off in the previous session after discussing extensively on how to handle customers and suppliers in unit number 5. So in this session, we are going to look at several things. We are going to look at 3 major things here. One, I'll take you through, in session 1, I'll take you through the fixed assets module. Then in session 2, I'll take you through the fixed asset accounts in NeuroBooks. And then finally, in session number 3, we shall create the fixed asset items in our NeuroBooks accounting software. So on your screen is, of course, the usual, the dashboard of your NeuroBooks accounting software. So for us to be able to access the fixed assets module, you come to the fixed assets functional area of your NeuroBooks. Click on that, and then this kind of page is going to open up. Now on this page, you see that there are some, of course, reports, just a few summaries, cards showing statistics regarding your fixed assets. Then below that, there are different functional areas on fixed assets, including the all assets functional area. Under this, you'll be able to see all your existing assets in the company. Active assets, again, the active assets, only those that are in continuous use at the company. Then we have the under maintenance functional area, which lists the various assets that have been sent for maintenance. Then we have the retired disposed of assets functional area. Here you'll be able to see assets that have been retired, sold, or disposed of with disposal records. So the list will be here. Then we have the asset tags functional area, where you can browse assets by tags, categories, and custom classifications. Basically, this functional area simply helps you to access your assets quickly, especially for those companies with very many assets. Then we have the depreciation functional area, where you can run depreciation schedules and view the current book values across all assets. So it means that it becomes very easy for you in NeuroBooks to automatically calculate your depreciation charges for your assets. Simply by clicking on this icon, the schedule icon here, you are able to look at a glance at the accumulated depreciation, at the depreciation of the period of each of the assets, and then the book values. This, of course, happens for each asset, like the motor vehicles, computers, furniture, depending on the asset that you have captured in your NeuroBooks accounting software. So, in preparation of this training or this session, we are going to make use of our training sheet here. Of course, if I just take you to that very part that we are going to focus on, towards the end, you're going to find the fixed asset schedule or schedule fixed assets. At the company, we are using these just for training purposes. So the assets that we are going to handle in this unit include the plant and machinery. The cost accumulated depreciation net book value has been given. We have furniture. The cost accumulated depreciation and the net book value has also been given. We have the computers. The cost accumulated depreciation, net book value have been given. Motor vehicles, the same. And then we shall take key assumptions. We shall assume that all the assets have a useful life of 8 years. Then again, we shall assume that the depreciation method is reducing balance, or call it the declining balance method. Then the rate of depreciation is 12.5% for all the assets. And then we shall assume that all the assets we have purchased acquired on 1st of January 2025. Basically, if you're working out this on the 1st of January 2026, it means that the assets have lived 1 year. This has been done just to help you appreciate the depreciation approach or style in NeuroBooks accounting software. Then for you to take note is that each of these assets will have its own asset account and the accumulated depreciation account, as we are going to see ahead in session number 2. So these are the asset values, or this is the schedule that we are going to use, which may change a little bit, but for now we are going to use it as it is. And of course, that covers the fixed asset module overview in NeuroBooks accounting software. Now I need you to go to session 2, where I'm going to take you through the fixed asset accounts in NeuroBooks and how to create those accounts. Thank you.